What's up, YouTube? I've got this old Twist ballpoint pen here. It's not writing well. It can be better. If you have one of these laying around, don't get rid of it. They're pretty cool. I'm just gonna show you what I got. We're gonna refresh this pen with some new cartridges. One sec. So you might have a Cross brand or a Tiffany, something like that, and they all are really similar. And so what you do is you pull open the two pieces. Here's the twist part, right? But then you want to grab this black piece and unscrew it. And here's your cartridge, right? You can see this one is a Cross Lincoln medium. There's a number on there, so pull yours out, find the numbers. This might be the exact cartridge that you need as well, and I'm gonna link this down below. It's a good deal. You get 10, I think. 3, 6, 9. Yeah, you get 10 of these. Pull one out. They do come with a little waxy covering on the tip. Keep that in mind. Put it in, screw it in. All the way, and when you twist it will come out. Take off this little guard here, push on your back, and let's give it a shot here. Yep, writing smooth again. It's black. Went from rough back to writing like new, so I'm very happy with that. If you got some old pens, get one of these packs. You can do multiple ones and keep these going. Keep these on the road because they're pretty neat, you know, and just change the cartridge. No plastic tube and all that. Thanks for watching. Hope that helps. Check out the links. See ya.